Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the shift and rotation in the production possibility curve. So there are maybe a shift in the production possibility curve, and the shift in the production possibility curve indicate either increase or decrease in the resources or productivity capacity of the economy. The production possibility curve, or we can say PP curve, can be shifted both way, rightward or leftward. This rightward shift of the PP indicate the increase in the resources of productive capacity of the economy. In this situation, production possibility of both the community will go up. On the other hand, the leftward shift of the PPP curve indicate the decrease in the resources or productivity capacity of the economy. In this situation, production possibility of both the community will come down. So the rightward shift and leftward shift of PP curve explained. First, rightward shift. There may be a rightward shift of PP curve from PP to PP2, as shown in the figure. It despite the growth, it means there is increase in the resources or productivity capacity of the economy, hence the production's possibility of both the economy will go up. We have explained earlier that there may be happen either because of increase in resources or improvement in technology, increase in populations, introductions of foreign capital investigation. Next, leftward shift. There may be a leftward shift of the PPP curve from PP2 to P1. So in the figure, it means there is a decrease in the resources and productivity capacity of the economy. Hence, the production's possibility of both the community will come down. This may happen because of decrease or loss in the productivity resources in the economy, such as lack of skilled workers, breakdown of machinery, deforestation, natural calamities such as earthquake, drought, flood, etc. Now the rightward and leftward shift. From the we this conclude that the PP curve shift from both the way, rightward and leftward. It depends on the increase or decrease of the resources. The rightward and leftward shift of PP curve in a single diagram has shown in the figure, and then rotation of a PPC curve. It happen there is change in technology with respect to only one goods. Therefore, there can be a two type of possible rotation. A rotation from goods on x-axis, that is when there is technology improvement of community X, then PP will rotate from PP to PA. And however, in case of technology degradation, PP will rotate from PP to PB. Next, rotation from goods on y-axis, when there is technology improvement of community Y, then the PPC will rotate it from PP to AP. However, in case of the technology degradation, PP will rotate from PP to BP. This is a rotation and shift of the production's possibility curve. Thank you.